So I hope you're having a great afternoon. I really wanted to just sit down with you guys today and do this video in sort of like a vlog style. I'm going to be doing my like closet clear out. I do this every year, but I thought this time I would take you guys with me because I'm going to be extremely like ruthless this year, and I'm gonna get rid of lots of things I just no longer need. This is greatly needed. So that is what we're gonna do today. I'm just going to set you up because I really want to take you on this journey with me. I think it's so amazing because I caught it at a point where you guys get to see the beginning of my style journey basically. And the plan is after this clear out, about like maybe once a month, maybe every other month, just whenever I have accumulated a good number of new pieces to talk about with you guys. I want to just lay them out, show them, and I want to show you guys how I style them with like the pieces in my closet or maybe together if I bought them as like an outfit. You guys will kind of get a sense of where I want my style to go, and I'm hoping by the end of the year we'll have a brand new Brenna. No, I'm just kidding. I'll still be me, but I am turning 26 in April, and I just really want a style change. Not anything too drastic, but I feel like when you turn 26, you should look good and you should feel good, and your wardrobe should say that as well. I really want to expand and experiment with like color and cuts. You know, well, let's talk fashion a little bit more. But yeah, like I said, I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. I am literally gonna clean out the whole closet there. So let's get started. Let's say goodbye to some clothes. And yeah, so I'm gonna go set you guys up back there now, and let's get started. So I wanted to show you guys my closet before we start cleaning it out. So this is what it looks like now. That's generally where I'm supposed to keep my sweaters, and then just like tops, and then I just shove things on these shelves. These two shelves are mine. And now we need to organize this. This is all of my PJs, my loungewear, and my workout gear. So I'm gonna try and make like sets, and then just get rid of whatever doesn't really work in a set. These are my Christmas pajamas, the only pair I own. So I'm gonna definitely keep them. I don't know if I'm gonna put them back in my drawer or if I want to put them in my Christmas bin. I might just stick them in the drawer. But definitely keeping those. So that is what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna put you on another time lapse, and hopefully we can get this done before it gets dark out. So yeah, let's keep going. Hey guys, so it's actually almost already 11 o'clock, I think. I have just been working on my blog for the past hour. We had dinner, so I wanted to just kind of give you guys a little closet update and kind of show you everything I've gotten done. I have just a few more things to do, but I'm so happy with how it turned out. I just feel so inspired. I can't wait to add pieces and share them with you guys. So let's go ahead and let me show you what I got done. Okay, so just keep in mind the light is not the best. It's also nighttime. So up at the top, those are all of my Christmas sweaters and my Christmas dress from this year. I'm just gonna keep them up there for now in the green basket. Hopefully eventually I'll get better storage. And then these are my two shelves. I need to throw that away. So those are all of my cozy at-home sweaters. I'm gonna try to keep it to 8. I may have a few more, and if I do, I'm gonna try to get rid of a few of them. But for now, that's what it's looking like. I love cozy at-home sweaters. This is my workout shelf. I am so in love with it. I'm hoping this inspires me to work out more. So these are all of my workout sweaters. And I moved this one. I used to actually wear this one all the time, but I moved it to workout because I think it would be great if I'm cold or if I start running in the morning. It'll be great for that. Running in the morning. Who am I kidding? My sports bras. I only have 3 of them right now. And then the thing I'm most proud of is these are in sets. So it's a pair of leggings and there's a tank top and a t-shirt in each set. So if I'm not feeling a tank top, I can grab a t-shirt. And this is just something extra. So I'm really happy with that shelf. I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. But I have dresses on this end. And then I have tank tops, which I don't have that many of. I want to get some more. This was my favorite one from last year. So I'm really excited to wear this one again. And then just like t-shirts. This is actually an off-the-shoulder top. I got this from Banana Republic. It's really hard. There. It has like really, really pretty lace detailing. Let me like pull it out. So I'm hoping to be able to wear that this summer, and then this is gonna be like all over the place, I'm sorry. Long sleeves. I'm gonna definitely be getting more into these now that spring is coming. I steamed this top, so I'm hoping to pull it back out. These are like my lighter sweaters. And then they just go into like heavier chunky sweaters. This has been my all-time favorite sweater this year. It's from Windsor and it's getting kind of worse for wear because I wear it all the time, but it is so pretty. I love it. So nice. I have yet to wear this one, but it is a little bit lighter, so I think now that spring is coming up, it has some really pretty like bell sleeves. I need to tuck this back in because my cat got to it, but yes. So there is that. So this is a suit jacket. Can you guys see? It's not like the best lighting again, but this is a suit jacket. I got it from Kohl's like years and years and years ago. This is an example of me keeping things since like college and high school. But I got it back out because I think that tailoring and like suit jackets are coming back in. This was a really inexpensive one, but it still gives the look of like a suit jacket, and it's like quarter length sleeves. So I'm excited to play with that again. My kimonos, which I'll get back into once it gets warmer. Just a lighter long sleeve top, which I love during the summer. Just my cardigans here, and I did end up keeping this one. I was gonna get rid of it, but I just really like it. Some more just long sleeve over top. My really old denim jacket. My friend and I actually got like very similar matching ones back in college. I don't think she has hers anymore, but I still have mine, and I'm hoping to get it back out during summer. This vest, this is a new purchase. Let's pull it out. This is a new purchase. You'll have seen it in my winter haul if you watched it. I actually love this. I've only worn it once, but it is really nice. I like it. I kept my Nike sweater. I'm hoping to get more use out of it. These are my Hollister sweaters. Just a couple like regular, they're just seaside sweaters. I kind of like collecting them. My Columbias, which you can't see because it's getting darker. I have a black and a blue one. These are just really nice to have because they're warm. I have my very minimal amount of jeans. So I have 3 pairs of jeans right now, 2 darker pairs and a lighter pair. I think I have some black ones as well. I have to sort those out. And these shorts, I got these last summer. So if you watched my summer haul from last summer, you'll have seen these. And they didn't fit. They still don't fit. But I'm hoping to use these as goals and motivations because they're very cute. So that is my motivation to work out and get in shape this summer. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. It is almost 11 now and I have to go to work tomorrow. So I'm going to end this here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my closet clear out. I am very proud of it. Like, it's touching my heart a little bit. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I'm very excited for the future. Yes, clothes makes me excited. And I can't wait to just like style new pieces for you guys and become adventurous. We'll see how it goes. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I really enjoyed just sitting down, having a little bit more of a chilled, chatty day and cleaning day with you guys. It literally took me all day. I started at like maybe 12:30, 1 o'clock, and I ended up not being done until 6, exactly 6 o'clock. And I still have a small amount to do, but it was a big project. We got 2 garbage bags full of stuff out and yeah, so I'm gonna stop being talky now. I will see you guys in my next video. Remember to go comment down below one of your favorite fashion pieces. Like, what is your favorite piece in your closet? Let me know down below. I will see you guys next Monday for a brand new video. And make sure you go hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, because I would just love to have you join my channel. And yeah, remember to keep pushing forward. Bye!